Car GPS units provide accurate navigation, real-time route guidance, traffic updates, and reliable directions, making every drive safer, faster, and stress-free. Today's video is about top 5 best car GPS units for accurate navigation that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at iORDN Wireless Car GPS Navigation. This wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen is an excellent upgrade for almost any vehicle, offering modern connectivity without replacing the factory stereo. Setup is quick with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, giving you instant access to Google Maps, Waze, music, calls, and messages while keeping your dashboard clutter-free. The 9-inch display is bright and responsive, and voice control through Siri or Google Assistant makes driving safer and more convenient. A standout feature is the built-in dual dash camera system, featuring a sharp 4K front camera and a 1080p waterproof rear camera with night vision. Parking monitoring, collision detection, loop recording, and emergency video lock provide added security whether you're driving or parked. The device also offers flexible audio options, including Bluetooth, FM transmission, AUX, and its built-in speaker, making it compatible with virtually any car. Universal plug-and-play installation through the cigarette lighter means no complicated wiring. Backed by a 1-year warranty, this portable CarPlay screen is a reliable, feature-packed upgrade for safer, smarter, and more enjoyable driving. Now our second product is OneVon CarPlay GPS Navigation. This wireless motorcycle CarPlay and Android Auto display is a fantastic upgrade for riders who want smarter navigation and safer connectivity on every journey. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide instant access to GPS, calls, music, messages, and voice assistance, allowing you to keep your hands on the handlebars and your attention on the road. The 5-inch IPS touchscreen delivers bright, sharp visuals with excellent sunlight visibility, anti-glare protection, and glove-friendly controls, making it practical in all riding conditions. Bluetooth headset support ensures crystal-clear calls and immersive audio while maintaining a stable wireless connection. Built with a rugged, waterproof design, this display is ready for rain, dust, mud, and long-distance adventures. Its vibration-resistant construction and secure handlebar mount provide reliable performance on a variety of motorcycles. Supporting 11 languages and 12 to 24V power input, it offers broad compatibility and simple plug-and-play installation with the included mounting kit and wiring harness. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive lifetime technical support, this motorcycle display is a dependable, feature-rich solution for riders seeking convenience, safety, and modern connectivity. Our third product is iNavigo Wireless CarPlay Wi-Fi GPS Navigation. iNavigo. This 11.5-inch Android car stereo is an impressive upgrade for compatible Toyota Tacoma 2016 to 2023 models, delivering modern technology with a clean factory-style fit. It supports both wired and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to access navigation, calls, messages, and music while keeping your focus on the road. Voice control adds another layer of convenience for safer driving. Powered by 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, the system offers smooth performance and quick app loading. The HD touchscreen is bright, responsive, and paired with 5G Wi-Fi for online apps and Bluetooth 5.0 for fast pairing, wireless audio streaming, and hands-free calling. Built-in GPS with preloaded North American maps ensures accurate navigation, while the customizable EQ and FM radio enhance the entertainment experience. A major highlight is the included 1080p AHD waterproof backup camera with a wide 170 degrees viewing angle, providing sharp reverse images for easier and safer parking. Overall, this stereo is a feature-packed, reliable infotainment upgrade that brings premium connectivity and functionality to your Tacoma. Now number 4, LEDtree Wireless CarPlay Navigation. This 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto screen is a premium upgrade for drivers who want a larger, smarter, and more versatile in-car display. Its expansive IPS touchscreen offers excellent clarity while maintaining a low-profile design that helps preserve the driver's field of view. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connect quickly, giving you easy access to navigation, music, calls, and voice assistance through Siri or Google Assistant. The built-in 4K front dash camera and 1080p waterproof rear camera provide outstanding recording quality, making every drive safer and ensuring important events are captured. Loop recording, 64 GB of storage, and mirror link support add even more convenience by allowing continuous recording and smartphone screen mirroring. Audio flexibility is another highlight, with Bluetooth 5.0, FM transmission, AUX, and built-in speakers offering multiple listening options. Installation is effortless thanks to its plug-and-play cigarette lighter power connection, making it compatible with nearly any vehicle. Overall, this portable CarPlay screen combines advanced connectivity, reliable recording, and an impressive display into a feature-rich solution for safer, more enjoyable driving. Improve revisions for stronger drafts. Upgrade to Plus and use Advanced Thinking 2 And our last choice is YZW CarPlay GPS navigation system. If you're looking to add smart features to your motorcycle without replacing your entire dashboard, this is a fantastic option. It comes with a bright 5-inch HD touchscreen that stays clear even in direct sunlight, and the glove-friendly display makes it easy to operate while you're riding. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in tire pressure monitoring system, which shows real-time tire pressure on the screen to help you ride more safely. It also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you quick access to GPS navigation, music, phone calls, messages, and voice commands without dealing with messy cables. The Bluetooth connection is stable, providing a smooth and reliable experience. With its rugged IP69K waterproof design, this display is ready for rain, dust, and challenging weather conditions. Installation is simple thanks to the included mounting hardware and wiring kit, and the customizable boot screen adds a nice personal touch. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.